Hello students, today we are going to discuss Unit 9 of 10th SS and the title is Forest and Wildlife Resources. Generally, any country's development, progress or existence even will be dependent on the resources because human being can fulfill his aspiration and needs only through the resources, and forest is one of the resources. A general meaning of the forest is the accumulation of the trees, shrubs or heaps of grass. In natural vegetation, only the vegetation is included which can be raised naturally without the help of man. This is called virgin vegetation. Now, such type of the vegetation you will find only in the Himalayan region, Sundarban region and remote areas of Thar desert. So, what is virgin vegetation? The vegetation itself grow out. That will be considered as the virgin vegetation. Now we shall discuss the classification of the forest, or another the short note of the classification of the forest. Now we shall discuss now. There are three types of the forest on the basis of the administration, ownership and management. And these three types are reserved forest, protected forest, unclassified forest. Among them, the first one is the reserved forest. This type of forests are directly under the control of the government. So, there will be restriction on lumbering, collection of woods and for pasturing. For example, a farmer or a shepherd who is living nearby the forest will not be permitted over there for the collection of wood, even for cattle pasturing. Second one is the protected forest. These forests are looked after by the administration at the local level. Local people generally, they will be permitted to collect the wood and even they can make their animals graze over there. This is the difference between the reserved forest and the protected forest. But they could not harm to the trees. And third one is the unclassified forest. These forests are not still classified. So there will be no any kind of the restriction on tree felling or animal grazing. Thereafter, classification of the forest according to ownership, administration and management. Here are the three types. Which are these three types? State forest, communal forest, private forest. Now what is state forest? State forest means central or state government will control such type of the forest, and most of the forests are in this type of the category. Second one is the communal forest. Local self-government institution like Gram Panchayat, municipality and municipal corporation at the city level, again district panchayat will have the control on such type of the forest. And third one are the private forest. This type of the forest is owned by individual because the owner is generally individual or any particular institute, private institute. Such forests are found more in Odisha, Meghalaya, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. Some of the forests of these types are in haphazard condition and some of them are totally barren. So this is the one of the important topic and you will have to write down the short note of them. Now we shall discuss the second topic, and that is the topic is the remedies of the forest conservation. But before that, first of all we will have to discuss the deforestation. What is the deforestation? If there is deforestation, then the remedies will be required. Deforestation means the destruction of the forest. And this is not the problem of only our country, but it is the worldwide, it is the global problem. And that is why nowadays we can see the impact of the deforestation. Because of the deforestation, quantity of the carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, and greenhouse effects comes more intense, and with the removed forest cover the soil is eroded and the problem of farm fertility day by day decreases. So it is necessary for all of us for the remedies for the forest conservation. Now the first topic regarding the remedies is research should be carried out for the option of wood. We will have to find out the another option for the wood. If there is no any option for the wood, then definitely in the remote area most of the shepherd and all these people will go for as wood as their fuel. There should be total ban on cutting of the trees which are not grown fully. Another totally ban, totally restriction must be there. Third one, wherever the trees are to be cut inevitably for the development of the work or for necessary, new trees of the same species should be grown. It is the most important topic. And fourth one, those industries which receive their raw material from the forest should be compelled for the afforestation for the future needs. Such type of the company must be given a compelled, they must be compelled to a forest. They will have to sow more and more trees for the future needs. Under the name of the ecotourism, forest cover should not be damaged and should be strictly controlled, definitely. And next one is the widespread public awareness program should be organized among the local people, which is also important, because if the people are not well aware, then definitely most of the people, even the local people, will cut down the trees. They will also invite their guests to enjoy the party in the forest. In place of firewood, alternative option like solar energy, natural gas should be implemented. No doubt nowadays government is working very good, especially in the form of the PNG, piped natural gas. And next one is the social forestry and agroforestry should be developed intensively by taking planned steps for the necessary of fodder and wood. And forest resources should be used sparingly in order to make the process of the trees growth faster and healthier. Infected trees should be removed. Forest fire causes heavy damage to forest. A separate system or force at national level should be created for dousing the fire. An area should be demarcated and reserved for the animal pasture. One must try to maintain environmental balance and nature beauty. Due to easy travel, thousands of the pilgrims reach the religious places in the forest area to attend the Bandara, and also they will provide, they should at least restricted, otherwise forest will be polluted. The importance of the forest and their conservation strategies should be included in the syllabus of the school and college, so the future generation can take care if they have the knowledge regarding all of this.